Right, so I've come to this page here that's it's like asking questions. So I've come to this smoking part. I've typed in smoke, and this is what it's brought me to. The engine produces black or grey smoke, which it does, yeah. Air filter efficiency, it's fine. Injector efficient, not sure about that. Engine test with motors, IWT, IT2000, check O-ring seals, right? So we might have to, well, I'm thinking I'm going to take the injectors out anyway. Cylinder compression, correct. Not sure about that either. Starts up fine, runs fine, but like I say, it could be down on compression on one of the cylinders, don't know. Start heat solenoid valve efficient. That's another thing, don't know. Turbo efficient, we know that's efficient, it is efficient. Yes, I know that works. Wastegate efficient. EGR, it's not equipped with an EGR. Engine produces grey smoke, tending to white. Injector. That my money's on the injector. And coolant level correct. Yeah, that's fine. The engine produces blue smoke. No, it's white smoke. Grey white smoke. The engine produces white or black smoke. Timing. It's possible. Put a new timing belt on it. It's possible it's not timed properly. Check the sensors correctly positioned is correctly. It's quite possible. So we've got some variables we can go through and check. So where we go from here, I think I want to look at the injectors. So right, so there's no oil whatsoever on the turbo, so it's not that. So next thing is check for a leak. See if we've got a leak boosted pipe, that'll make it smoke. Next test, washing up liquid on all the joints, which I've done, and they're not leaking. I've even put water down on the inlet manifold to see if the engine would try and stall out, and get nothing. So they're all good. Next test would be pull the exhaust manifold off, see if there's any oil in it. Right, so I've separated the manifold from the turbo just there, and I've got my scope, and I'm just scoping inside because I tried to take the manifold off, but the bolts weren't budging, and I didn't want to snap anything. So as you can see in there, there's no oil. Try and get in a bit more. It's quite hard. There's no oil in there. You can see it. Just see the side. You can't really pick it up on the phone. I'll try prising it open a bit more. You can see actually into the exhaust. There's no visible signs of oil anywhere in there. Can't really pick it up on the phone, but there's not. You can see there's no oil in there, so it's not coming through the exhaust side. Got double tooth and then 3 teeth after it on the cam pulley. So that's right. This looks pretty normal. So I'm only scanning the one. But if we open the time right out, we can see the issue. There. It's a glitch. There. So we're having issues with the cam sensor. You wouldn't have seen that if we didn't open the time base right up. But yeah, that's I think that's our issue. Right, so I know for a fact on ivecos the brown wire is the ground. Red wire. So what I've done is I've put it into continuity. I've got the black wire onto the ground, and I'm going to do a continuity test and see which one's the ground. The brown one should be the ground, because on all ivecos, as far as I know, 000 is the ground, and that's what the brown is. So that's, I'm into the brown there, there's nothing there. I've gone into the red, I've got a ground. So something's not right. Right, so at the multimeter I'm 5 volts. And I'm in the ground wire, pin 11. See it there? And then if I go to pin 20, which is the red, which is this one here, absolutely nothing. Just to verify that I'm connected to the red, I'll kick it on to continuity, near it there. So back at it again. This is the sensor, so I've worked out the wires. So on pin 1 it's red, pin 2 is the pink, and pin 3 is the brown. And if we have a look at the sensor, see it? Just work it out. Pin 1 is the red, pink, and pin 3 is the brown, so it's right. So the brown is 5 volt circuit, pink's the signal, and the red is the ground. That really messed me up, going by the colours. If I'd have just pulled up a wiring diagram like I have here, I'd have known that's what it is. But normally on iveco the brown is the ground, and you would think the red is the positive, but it's not. It's the opposite way around. So that is correct. So what we're going to do is test at the ECU, see what the signal is like at the ECU. So I'm in the brown wire on pin 3, and that's at a steady 5 volts. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. In the ground. Yeah, I'm happy with that as well. I'm in the ECU now. That's a steady 5 volts. So yeah. Happy with that. I'm going to ground. I think it was this one. It's 20, will be 20 on it. 13, 14. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, that one. Yeah, as you can see we're in there. So yeah, happy with both of them. So that's it. Changing the sensor. See what happens after that. You can even see by the vantage that it drops out. It's dropping out. There, you can just see it every now and again. This side you can see it drops out. There, you can see it there. You can see it dropping out. There. So yeah, definitely a sensor issue. So we'll get that changed and then take a video when we changed it. Nice. I'm into the camshaft sensor, I put the new one in. That was me. doing the wires there. But yeah, seems to be okay. There's no dropouts. It's pretty good. Yeah, not too bad. We'll have to see if it's smoking though, moment through. I'll hurry up before it starts raining. We have a fix. Yeah, sorted.